a majority of his issues are coming from the wall based on all these rod hole repairs. A sump pit like this, like I was telling him earlier, all this is basically a 3-inch pipe that sticks into the ground, and then any water that collects towards it, it'll pump out. Stuff like this, like he needs his plumbing all redone anyway. This is all caulked together. It's obviously leaking here. So his whole sub pump's not working in general, so we'll be replacing that. Oh no, yeah, no, he gets water everywhere. He's got water coming through the floor joint here too. So all this will have water guard. We're also putting clean space up, which without clean space, all these wall leaks would end up just leaking again if you finish the wall over anyways. You can kind of see watermarks here. Anything like that's kind of signs of water. This is an old crack or old crack repair, so they chiseled it out and kind of filled it. Instead of doing stuff like that, when we put the clean space up on the wall and tuck it behind the water guard, we can redirect the water into the sump pit that we're going to have installed. Over this way. This issue is wall water, because he's got a lot of plugs all over the place that kind of look like they're still leaking. Here especially, so we got to make sure when we go in, we take the corner, take care of all that water. He's definitely got a lot of wall water, so he's probably got a lot of water in his backfill outside. So it fills all up, and then the water pushes in this way. And plugging these does help, but now if you don't let the water come in anymore, you're going to start pushing your wall in instead. You block all that water, it's going to start pushing the wall in. When they start leaking again, we let the water through into the water guard, which then goes into the sub pump and pumps out. And for here, it'll be like 60 feet away from the house.